Hello everyone, I am Mr. Power MS said. Today we can discuss subject electronics. In the subject electronics, we can discuss a paper digital electronics. In the digital electronics, there are different lessons, but we can see a logic gate. First of all, we can discuss a complement. The complement it is that we can use if a is a binary number, then the complement of a it is equal to the a complement. It means we can use some input at the time and output will be complement or opposite of the input. This function or this logic is known as the complement logic. Another it is that the positive logic when we can use uh, the high voltage that is a 1 or on, and another it is that the false means off or false or off it is equal to the logic 0, that is the positive logic. And also opposite of negative logic, at the time we can use 1 it is equal to the 1 it is the false or off, 1 it is a false or off, and 0 it is a on or true, that is the negative logic. There are three logic. One it is that complement, another it is that the positive logic, and another it is that the negative logic. Next it is that the gate. What is a logic gate? Logic gate is a circuit or electronic device or physical device with one or more input signal and only one output signal. It means the logic gate is one of the physical device or block that can be gives one or more inputs and that can be controls the output signal. This combination of inputs or number of one or more inputs that can be changes status of the output. That is the logic gate. Next it is that the gates are digital circuit because of its input and output signal are either 0 or 1. It means either it is a low or high voltage. That is the digital logic circuit. Next, gate provides high output for the certain combination. It means the logic gate that can be controls the output of the logic gate that can be controls by the input or variables that can be connected at the input. It means we can use the certain combination of inputs, that time only output will be high. That is the another characteristics of the logic gate. Next it is that there are two types of logic gate. One it is that the basic gate, another it is that the derived gate. What is a basic gate? Basic gate it is a original gates or it is a gate that can be proved or that can be used for the different certain logic operations such as ANDing operation, such as ORing operation, such as NOTing function. And these gates that can be used for the construction of another gate, this gate is known as the derived gate. This gate is known as the derived gate. Today we can discuss only a basic gate. Next it is that the basic logic gates. There are first it is that the NOT gate. What is the function of NOT gate? NOT gate is also known as the inverter or complement gate. The function of NOT gate it is the complement. It is also one input and one output gate. It is also one input and one output gate that can be seen at the screen. That is the A variable or one variable that can be connected at the input and one output. That is the symbol of the NOT gate. And also the output expression it is that the A y is equal to the A complement. A it is that the input variable that can be connected at the input of the NOT gate. That's time output will be A complement. Next gate it is that the AND gate. What is the AND gate? AND gate function it is that the multiplication of the inputs or variables. It means the ANDing the logic operation that can be done by the AND gate, and that is the function is that we can connect two variable A and another it is the B variable. The output it is equal to the Y equal to the A into B. That is the output expression of the AND gate, and also we can use two inputs are high or 1, that's time output will be 1. That is the logic of the AND gate. Next it is that we can use next basic gate, that is the OR gate, and it is similar to the AND gate that can be used two or more inputs, and output it is that the or output expression it is that the Y equal to the A plus B if A and B there are two variables. When only one input it is equal to the high, that time output will be high. That is the logic of the OR gate. That is the logic of the OR gate. Next it is that we can use a NOT gate and inverter. That also we can see NOT gate function it is that the complement function, and that can be seen the symbol, that is the output expression or voltage logic of the NOT gate, and also that can be this table that can be says the truth table of the NOT gate. What is a truth table? The truth table that can be says all possibility of the input that can be changes or that's time what is the output of the logic gate. That can be says by the truth table, and truth table NOT gate truth table that can be says the possibility of input, that is the A is equal to 0 and B is equal to the 1. That's time output is, if A is equal to the 1, that's time output X it is equal to the A complement, means X is equal to the 0 complement, it is also equal to the 1. It means input it is equal to the 1 complement, it means output it is equal to the 0. It means A it is equal to 1, that's time the NOT gate output it is equal to the opposite or complement of A it is equal to the 0, and another possibility it is equal to the A it is equal to the 0, that's time output will be opposite, it is the 1 or high of the NOT gate function. And also that can be a voltage logic, that is the we can apply the 0 and 1, and output will be that's time output X it is equal to, if we can apply the input it is equal to 0, that's time output will be high or 1, and we can apply the 1, that's time output will be 0. That can be said or that can be represented by the voltage logic. Next gate or next combination it is that the two NOT gate that can be connected to the back-to-back or cascade. At the time we can use the X, that is the input, and last it is that the X. Why they are possible? Because of we can use X input that can be connected of the first NOT gate, and output it is that the X complement, and this X complement that can be connected at the second NOT gate inputs, and also output it is that the X double complement. It means the original input that can be available or that can be sent at the output. We can use some example, that is the X is equal to the 0, and first NOT gate output it is equal to the 1 that can be connected at the second NOT gate, that's time 1 complement it is equal to the 0. So the output 0 and input 0 it is a similar. So that is the buffer function that can be done by the back-to-back two NAND gates that can be connected. Next it is that the AND gate. What is the function of the AND gate? The function of AND gate or output expression that can be says the X is equal to the A into B, and also truth table that can be said the all possibility of the input. What is the possibility of input? That is the A and B. There are two inputs that can be connected at the AND gate, and output only one, that is the X. So we can use the input it is a 0 and 0, it means A it is equal to 0, B it is equal to 0, and that value that can be put out the expression X is equal to the 0 into 0, it is equal to the 0. Next it is that the next possibility A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, that's time output will be 0. Next it is that the A is equal to 1, B it is equal to 0, that's time X is equal to the 0. And last possibility it is equal to the A is equal to 1, B it is equal to 1, that's time output will be 1. It means that's time A it is equal to the 1 and that's time B it is equal to 1. It means the X it is equal to the 1 into 1, it is equal to the 1. This AND gate logic that can be says only two or all inputs are equal to the 1, that's time output will be 1. That is the logic of the AND gate. Next it is that the OR gate. The OR gate function it is that the y is equal to the a plus b. What is the a and what is the b? A it is that the input variable and b it is that the input variable. That makes the output x it is equal to the a plus b. The OR gate logical function it is that the only or truth table that can be says only one input that can be 1, that's time output will be 1. That is the logic of the OR gate. The truth table that can be says a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, that's time output will be 0. We can put out the value x is equal to the 0 plus 0, it is equal to the 0. Next value that is the a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1, that's time 0 plus 1, it is equal to the 1. 0 plus 1, it is equal to the 1. Next possibility it is that the a is equal to 0, b is equal to the 1. It means 0 plus 1 it is equal to 1. Next possibility it is that the a is equal to 1, b is equal to the 0 and output will be 1. And last it is that the two inputs are equal to the 1, that's time output will be 1. It means 1 plus 1 it is equal to the 1. So what is say by the OR gate? OR gate that can be says only one input it is equal to the 1, the output will be 1. One or more input it is equal to the 1, that's time output will be 1. That is the logic of the OR gate. At the NOT gate we can use a it is equal to the 0 and output it is at the complement. It means output true when input it is equal to the 0. In the OR gate, if the one or more or all inputs is equal to the 1, that's time output it is equal to the 1. In the AND gate, all inputs are only 1, that's time only output it is that the 1 or higher. That is the logics of the basic gate, that is the AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate.